Alright, so when you're holding the controller, you're going to be like this. You're going to be shooting Alright everybody, today is tinker time and we're outside. I had an idea yesterday and I wanted to do it and I rode all over the place trying to find a good place to fly, and well, it just didn't work out. But today we're just a neighborhood park, because it's really not going to be about the flying today. It's going to be about me. I know, it's always about me. Shawn Ide, the good, the great, the wonderful Shawn Ide, heard about my the loss of my Insta360 One X, and sent me his old One X as a gift, and I don't know what to say. I'm touched, I'm thrilled, I couldn't be happier. Originally, when I went to buy my One X, I wasn't buying a One X, I was going to buy the One, and just coincidentally, they released it that day. So, you know, it worked out pretty good. I ended up getting the big one, the good one. Although I like this, and I'm happy, and I'm not, you know, I'm not a movie guy, I'm just doing some stuff for myself. A little YouTube, a little show you how it's done kind of stuff, so you get what I'm saying. Alright, anyway, we're gonna make a weird little setup that in essence is really only applies to maybe YouTubers, because it doesn't really I mean, I don't know, I don't see a normal person doing this, but some people like the way they look. So, but not me. I'm more of a behind the scenes guy. So we took our Mav mount, we are putting it on the Mavic Pro remote, and we're gonna fly, baby. But hold on, it gets better. No, that's gee, Nacho, we've seen that before. This is true. What I just did is nothing new. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick a ball head on here, and we're gonna put the Shawn Ide Insta360 One, not One X, One on top. And they'll say, and well, and it's gonna be cool. So don't mock me. If you're a YouTuber, if you're doing drone videos, this is a great chance for you to, oops, turn the camera on. Oops, I'm videoing. Turn off. Good. This is a good chance. I never know which side should face me yet. I am not really familiar with this camera yet, so bear with me. I can still see the dirt from the playground. Shawn, you missed a spot. I'll have to get that out of there. Alright, so when you're holding the controller, you're going to be like this. You're going to be shooting if it wasn't a Mustang, I'd be like, he's flying so low, but he is flying low. But for demonstration purposes, I doubt we're going to fly above tree level today, because what I'm going to be doing is taking 360 shots. Maybe a few stills. Probably a few stills. I'm more a photographer than a videographer. So, this setup, assuming I brought my cable, and that's assuming a lot, because that's the one thing I kept on saying I needed to check and didn't, will let you see the controls, me, and the drone when it's close. And make probably for some weird tiny planets. So I say we give it a try. What do you think? Actually, let's find the cable first, because we might not be doing anything. Sweet. I'm not that senile. That senile. Alright. I prefer these coilies because they pick up the slack nice. through here and once around that block, plug it in, and voila, out of the way. Nice and clean, a little big. I don't take the tablet out often because, well, most of the time I'm kind of I fly at the seat of my pants kind of guy, you know what I mean? So this will be the setup. And you'll get to see my ugly mug. And for you fat guys out there, the camera this close makes your head look big and your body looks svelte, unlike this going on. Matter of fact, most of the 360 community think I might be in shape. But we won't go there. All right. Oh, yeah, I guess I'll need a drone, right? Take the Mavic Pro out. Yes, everybody, I still own a Mavic Pro because, well, to be honest with you, it's a freaking awesome drone. And yes, it's nice to have the latest and greatest, but it's not everything. Okay? Content is more important than quality. How you use it is important. So, it's not the size of the ship. No, I'm not going there. You get what I'm saying. Alright, now hopefully these guys don't chase me away, but if they do, I'm going to just talk a lot and, you know, get my way anyway. Alright, I guess I will move that out because we're going to move that out because, am I still in frame? I'm still in frame. Fantastic. Alright, let's get this party started. Drone flight, DJ4, pictures of, gotta take these off. It's important. I do love that sound. And, what was it? Once for on, and then double click for record. I'm assuming it's recording. I'm assuming. You do know what happens when you assume, right? And that's probably what's going to happen now. And yes, I am taking it off in a very crowded space by my face. And yes, it could go horribly wrong, but it'll be on video, and that's all that matters. Alright, we are good. We're ready to go. Well, that was quick. I should screen record this, just in case it does go wrong. We can get all kinds of perspective. Alright, now we're screen recording. We're GoProing, and we're about to take the Mavic off. Ready? Now, for those of you who are new at this, safety notification, I agree, yes. I always take off real fast up in case things go wrong. It starts to wander, whatever, it gets you out, gets you up fast. So, here we go. Well, we're just gonna, we'll calibrate the compass. We're not really flying today, so what we're doing is checking out camera angles. It helps if you're not in sport mode, Dennis. Dumbass, Nacho. Alright, so what we're going to do is, on a beautiful blue sky, puffy white clouds, we're going to take selfies. I have nothing to complain about. I didn't hit anything. I didn't hit me. I didn't hit anybody else. And the 360 pictures look kind of cool. Could be better, but like I said, baby steps. Gotta get used to new equipment. So, you know, sometimes I think I make stuff for creators, not really, you know, for like the normal person. I don't know. Maybe I'm just meant to be a behind the scenes guy. Who knows? All I know is I'm having fun.